Hi, good morning, ohayo gozaimasu, namaste. I'm Chef Kumar from Tokyo, Japan. Welcome to my channel. So, today I'm going to show you how to make a quinoa, super healthy food with lots of vegetables and jumbo prawns. Healthy, easy and quick. So, let's start. Please subscribe my channel and share it. So, let's start. So quinoa बनाने के लिए we need a 100 gram quinoa already soaked 30 minutes in the water and washed properly. I need a capsicum, green, red. I took a half capsicum, it was big size, so you can choose the quantity according to your. And then red capsicum, onion and diced carrot is a half carrot, beans, 1 lemon, jumbo prawns already washed and clean, coriander, garlic and fresh tomato chopped already. So let's start. 1 tablespoon oil. After pan become heat, I will add prawns. So we have to just saute, not cook properly. Just have to give color. Just 1 minute after we can take it out. You can see the color. Now I'm going to add garlic first in same oil because we need a flavor of prawn. Just little bit saute. After garlic saute, I'm going to add all vegetables, beans, carrot, onion, red pima and green pima. First we saute it properly. Saute timing we need to add salt. 1 teaspoon, you can choose according to your taste. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can see our vegetable is almost cooked. You don't need to overcook, just cook properly. And now I'm going to add tomato, then 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, and half teaspoon chilli powder, and half teaspoon black pepper. We cook the spices just for 3 to minutes. Just mix it properly that spice can be cooked properly. Now it's time to add quinoa already washed and soaked in the water 30 minutes. And just And now I'm going to add the water, like a double quantity of quinoa. And now we just wait for a one boil, and after that we will cover it and leave it for a 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see the water start to boil. Now it's time to make the flame slow and cover it. Now we have to wait around 10 to 15 minutes. Now after around 20 minutes, we can open it. You can see the water is already dry and the quinoa is almost 80% cooked. Now we are going to add prawn. And going to add lemon. And coriander. Now we will cover it again and stop the gas and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes again. So it will be cooked slowly and the prawn will be cooked very good. After 10 minutes, we open it again and now you can see it's ready almost. Now it's time to serve.